quite common to find people haven't heard of Oracy. So we're really talking about the development of the skills of using spoken language to get things done in every situation. It was invented to try and give spoken language skills the same importance as written language skills, literacy, and the development of mathematical skills, numeracy.
We say our school's mission is to create compassionate citizens. What we mean by that is that the children develop to be intelligent and striving, but also kind. They develop oracy and dialogue skills, and they also have playful, inquiring minds.
I was working with children at the time when computers were introduced into classrooms. We only had one computer in the whole school, so children had to work in a group, otherwise they wouldn't have got a go on the computer. And it was evident that they had no ways to discuss their ideas with one another. We did some talk lessons with the children. This made a huge difference to how well they would do both with the computers and throughout the rest of their school day. So it was so convincing, I've been doing that ever since.
You really want young people to appreciate that when you're communicating, say, with someone for the first time, you have to take account of what they know and they don't know, that you shouldn't use vocabulary they won't understand, that on the other hand, if you're talking in a technical setting with other people, you could use that vocabulary. So those are the sort of things that students learn in their own language and can be used in English as well. Children from some backgrounds especially will come to school without really knowing how to use language for learning, and this really can set them back. And we now know that language and development of thinking are much more closely related than used to be thought. So that's another general reason why I think Oracy is really important.
I think dialogues are important because if we don't have dialogues, no one really understands us.
First man on the moon, the communications between the rocket and the computers. If we couldn't communicate, then we wouldn't know what was happening aboard the ship and what to do.